Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I will show you this 50-watt RGB LED floodlight. The unit is completely waterproof that you can use indoor or outdoor. There are 16 different colors you can choose from and 8 different modes of lighting effects. This light is made by the company SANSI. So let's unbox this and I'll show you what the light looks like. User manual. Remote control. Here's a floodlight. Let's have a closer look at this RGB LED floodlight. Now the overall dimension is 7.5 inch wide by 5.5 inch high. At the bottom of the unit you have this AC cord that goes to this standard AC plug. This unit will operate between 90 volt to 264 volt AC. On the two sides we have these knobs you can loosen and tighten, and that will adjust the angle of this mounting bracket that you see right here. You can mount this on a ceiling or on a wall. You can also use this as a stand, so you can place this on the floor or ground. At the bottom corner right here is the infrared receiver, and this is for receiving the signal from the remote control right here. Now one thing you'll notice about this unit is it has a hollow design. What I mean by that is if you mount this outdoor and it's raining, the water will actually go through the unit, so it won't pool inside the unit. As you can see, there are 8 sets of LED lights right here, and within each pod there are 9 individual LED chips which outputs different color, and that's how you're able to get the 16 different color combinations. The beam angle of each pod is 120 degrees. Let's have a look at this remote control. At the very top you have the on button and off button. Here you can select the color: white, red, green, and blue. These are different modes: strobe, flash, fade, and smooth. There's the up select, down select, right and left. The up and down select will allow you to change the brightness. The left and right will allow you to change the color. You also have M1, M2, M3, and M4. These are flashing modes for different colors. M1 is flashing red, M2 is flashing green, M3 is flashing blue, and the M4 is flashing yellow. At the bottom of the remote, you have additional colors you can choose. Now I'll plug the power cable to an outlet. The unit will turn on automatically, and the color you're looking at right now is the white color. Using the remote control, let me change the color. Here's red, green, blue. Now if you press a down arrow on the remote, you'll begin dimming the lights. Press up to increase the brightness. The remote also allows you to turn it off and also turn it on. So if you leave the power cable connected and use the remote control to turn on and off, it will remember the last mode that you're using. However, if you disconnect the power to the unit, the next time you plug it in, it will go back to the default white color. Now there are many different uses for this. With the white color, you can use it as a work light or lighting dark spaces like your attic. You can also use it as ambient lighting for your home theater or gaming room. And with the many different colors and flashing modes, you can use it as decorative lighting for outdoor. I actually use this as ambient lighting during Halloween. And let me show you some video clips from that night. Tonight's Halloween, I'm actually using the SANSI light to add some accent light to the house. As you can see, this light is very bright. Right now you're looking at strobe. This one's flash. This one's fade. And here's smooth. Right now I'll turn on the white light. You can see how well it illuminates this garage. Now I will point out the white is not a pure white. It has a bluish green tinge to it. So that's something to keep in mind. And of course you can change the different colors. Here's blue, red, green, back to white. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the review of this SANSI RGB LED floodlight. Overall, this is a nice compact lighting unit with the ability to change to many different colors. There are many different uses for this. It's IP65 rated, so it's waterproof. It comes with a remote control, so you can easily select the lighting effect that you want. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $65, and I will include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.